Drop it.
Hello guys, today I'm here to show you how to make some sushi rolls. So let's start, and first I will show you the ingredients that you need. Okay, so first you need of course the sushi rice, you need some Philadelphia cheese, some seaweed, some salmon or other type of fish you prefer. This is how I'm doing it, so I prefer with salmon, a cucumber if you want of course, and if you like it, and some avocado. And also of course the rice vinegar, which is important for the rice. And some soya sauce, if you like to put the sushi when it's ready in the soya. And bamboo roller, which we're gonna use for making the sushi, raw sushi. So let's start. First we will prepare the rice, so you have to boil the rice till it gets sticky. This is the most important part, because the rice is the most important part of the sushi, and if it's not prepared good, the sushi probably will not be okay. So let's start. Okay, so on every package of rice there is a description how to prepare it, so you can read it of course. And here is my rice, it's ready, and I have to boil it 10 minutes, so let's start. So meanwhile I am waiting the rice to be boiled. I will start to linen the cucumber and to cut it afterwards, and of course the avocado. So this is how the cut slices should look like of the cucumber. So now we're starting with the avocado. As you see, our rice is ready, so now we have to taste it with the rice vinegar. You have to put a couple of spoons and then to try it first to see it's okay. Well, our rice is ready, so now we have to take one slice from the seaweed. As you can see, it's marked, so here are the parts in which you have to cut it. So you take one slice and you put it with the marked side down, and like this, because when you roll it, you cut it on the marked part. So you put it like this, and then you take some rice and start putting it on. Now you take the Philadelphia cheese and start putting some from it here only on the one part of the sushi roll, not over all of it. Now it's ready, so you can take some cucumbers, for example, put them. Depends what you want to have in the sushi roll. Some avocado, and of course some salmon slices. You can put the sushi in a plate. And don't forget to prepare some soya sauce for the sushi.
Drop it.